Hello, my name's Dr. Brett Davies. Congratulations, you're building a proprietary limited company for the sole reason of it being the trustee of your self-managed super fund. Well, why would you do that? Your accountant has probably told you that it could be prudent for asset protection, for land taxes, many different reasons, but it's prudent now for you no longer to be members, or as members, be also trustees of your self-managed super fund. Your accountant's now probably said that it wants you to have the trustee being a company. So let's say there's mum and dad, they're members of the self-managed super fund. This is exactly my situation from many years ago. My wife and I were the members of the self-managed super fund and also the trustees. But we then decided that we would no longer be the trustees, and we incorporated a company, and my wife and I became the directors of that company, and that company is now the trustee of our self-managed super fund. That's what a lot of people do. Or it might be the case you're setting up, you're a financial advisor, an accountant, are setting up a brand new self-managed super fund and have opted to start the self-managed super fund with a company. Now, when I first started my self-managed super fund many years ago, over 20 years ago now, the flavour of that decade was just to have mum and dad as the trustees and the members. But now, for a number of reasons, I think it's not a bad idea, and I concur with your accountant, financial advisor. Maybe it's time to get a company as trustee of your self-managed super fund. If that's the case here, you press yes, and from that, our lawyers will draft all the clauses you need in your constitution and all the minutes and everything else required in order for you to have a compliant company as trustee of a self-managed super fund. And that means you get very, very low ASIC fees, because ASIC, the Australian Securities Investment Commission, the regulator, ASIC charges you every single year. I'm not sure what they do with the money, but they charge you every year to allow you to keep your company registered. And those fees are very expensive in my view, particularly as the ASIC doesn't really do anything, it's all online. However, if you have a trustee company which its only job is to be a trustee of a self-managed super fund, then the ASIC fees are dramatically reduced. So press yes if you're only going to use this company as the trustee of your self-managed super fund.